Hey guys, it's Jason with Minnesota Web Source, and I'm here today to show you a Nylint semi-truck. This is of the Sound Machines, dated 1989. And I just want to demonstrate for you what this truck can do. It takes 4 AA batteries. So we'll first start her up. And then it also has a horn, but you'll notice on this one, for whatever reason, the horn likes to stick. See, it sticks. So you gotta kind of, whoops. You gotta kind of pull it out. It likes to stick in. See, it sticks in. So you pull it out. It does have some type of sensor underneath the tire here. I've tried to activate it. When you push it, it makes a slightly different sound. And then occasionally you'll hear like an air brake. Like, yeah. So it makes some different noises. You know, overall condition is good. I would say, you know, in the back there's some wear. On the side here, for whatever reason, there's like a little, I'll turn it off. On the side here, there's like a little indent, almost like a little hole where the decal's pressed in, so I'm not sure what happened there, but that's how we found it. On top, there should be 2 air horns here, but they're both broken off. That's just from being played with. Obviously, the windshield is intact. There's really, you know, minor surface scratches, but overall, it's decent. This is plastic. The frame is the heavy-duty pressed steel like you're always used to. Underneath, it does take 4 AA's. Now you'll notice this one does not have a cover to it, but as you can tell, I mean, the batteries don't fall out. In fact, they're in there so good that I can hardly remove them with my fingers. You're literally going to need a screwdriver to get them out. That's how hard they fit. So this is made in Korea. You can see the year 1989. So this is, you know, still vintage. It's got the steel axles, and we'll be listing that here shortly, but we thought we'd give you a little overview of it. Thanks, and we'll talk to you later.